everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm kind of just rocking these videos out today. So, sometimes you need kind of focus on things to get done. You can get done. She'll be back in the videos. Believe me, I have my see if I can get it. My son, they got this for me. One of these massage balls for your feet because of plantar fasciitis. So hopefully it works. Plug up my computer. I've been downstairs and left this going, so there are many channels that it's just been running on so that they can get some watch hours. I'm okay. Just give me a moment. So, trying to adjust my seat, adjust me in the seat without sitting up, and that didn't work out very well. I need a cushion for it. So, yes, the good, bad, the ugly things that happen. Sometimes you don't see behind the scenes, and they're just some things I'm just not going to hide because that's life. Sometimes this is what we go through. Yeah, that hurt. But it wasn't the back of my hip. It was in the front of my leg. Joint, femur. Okay? You got ligaments and everything all right here. That's what hurts. I have a book I could show you, but, I don't know what happened. I'm telling you, look up the body, look up the muscles and ligaments. It's all on Google. And I keep telling the doctor, right there, right in the front, with that joint and all those ligaments and everything, something's wrong. Well, we're going to take care of my heart first. Then we're going to do the rest of it. So, with that, this is update video. Some more stuff you need to put in your medic jet bag. First aid kit, however you want to call it. So, when the Lord sits there and you keep praying, and you just like, Lord, you don't know how, but I'm trusting you. That's what you say. Lord, I don't know how, but I'm trusting you. He will supply. It's not in our time, because he's working things in the background, but he will do it. Because I'm excited to show you what he's done for me. It's so cool. So, like I said, I was able to get other insurance, and because of that, some insurance offers, help with getting daily needs and everything. So that's what I did. And it's over there. And that's a good place for it, isn't it? Hold on. I'll be right back. Enjoy the hats. Because the other day in one of the boxes, I found another 4th of July hat. So we'll be putting that up there. Probably on another wall. Because she has another fedora hat downstairs. So, I've been telling the Lord I need a new cane. I need a new cane. The cane I've had that since 2013. So, it's kind of like the end bottoms have worn out. So, guess what I got? I got me a new cane. I could have the trifold, but no, this will work just well. It does what I need it to do. It's there in case my hip goes out. Y'all see me, I can get up and walk. And it's not to get up and walking. It's to get up and wondering if this hip is going to go, I'm not working today. And down I go. So, got a new cane. My son was curious. Why did I get a new cane? I said to him because I wanted one. But the other one's downstairs and this one's up here. So, I think he's kind of thinking I'm using it upstairs. Sometimes I do. Especially when I need to get out of the chair. But, so, You do what you gotta do. So, other things for the medical kit. I got, now some people like Band-Aid brand, so I got a box of these. Tape. This is what I couldn't find the last time. So, I have this tape, which is the paper tape. And then I also got, it's the self-adhesive plastic tape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a roll of this one and a roll of this one in my medic bag. Because some people may not like paper tape. Some, you know, there's different uses at different times for those tapes. This was just because I want one. I haven't had one in a while. I got me a toothbrush. But, see, there's an idea. Do you have toothbrushes in your medic bag? Something you may not think about putting in your medic bag. Just for the simple fact, even if you just had water and no toothpaste, but water and just brush your teeth, that still helps with stuff. You know, there's plenty of times and situations, that's all I had. And that's when you're out in the field. So, you know, a toothbrush. Don't have to be a battery operated one. I just needed a new one. Just get some regular toothbrushes and put them in. Q-tips. And the doctor says don't use Q-tips. So there's many uses for Q-tips besides your ears. But you can use a Q-tip to clean this part of your ear. Just so you know. But these have come out now. And my son said he really likes these. And there's 10 a pack. So, I'm sticking this in my medic bag. Because you never know if somebody might get in their ear. Alright? How about a hot or a cold pack? This goes in the medic bag. You know, people, you could be in a place where, you know, somebody needs one of these. This is the gel bead pack. So, yes. You need heat or cold, but there's ways to heat this up if, you know, out camping or something like that. You need something to help out. This is for baby girl. I got, my hand got, this is for us, but it's healing ointment. But it is healing. It's healing really well, but taking a little bit longer than I thought. So I got some of this. And Anastasia's eczema, oh my goodness, usually it's during the winter time, it calms down and everything. Not this year. So we've been doing different things. I've got the itch cream. So we got this one for nighttime because it has the tea tree oil, and this one. But for a jump bag, a medic bag, it's really helpful. You can get the small travel ones and put them in there. You don't have to get the big ones. If you want the big ones, get a big one. Put it in there. Now these I'm trying just to see. So now this stuff is sponsored. So there you go. This is Kinder Light. It's dairy free, alpha gal free. You know, definitely gotta check it out for Anastasia. This is lemonade, and I got a fruit punch. They're pretty good. I've just got to adjust my water because I use this to drink water. An empty Powerade bottle, and this is like, I took the label off of that one. 58 ounces or something? No, 28 ounces. The other one has fallen. Can't get it. There we go. Help, I'm falling. I can't get up. Y'all remember those commercials? Yeah, 28 fluid ounces. This pack is, one size is 10.8 grams. So, it's like one for every 10 ounces. So, I don't know. I don't convert grams and everything. So, no. I have to figure all that out. And then, I got these. These are wipes. These are Dickinson's Witch Hazel. Smooth and use. So many uses. Astringent for oil, irritated, red, damaged, blemish, or inflamed skin. So Witch Hazel does a lot. And I figure in the wipes, put them in that medic bag. They'll be good to go. You know, you can use it for so many things. Let's see here. The left and remove cleansing cloth. Gently wipe face and body. Remove oil, dirt, and impurities. So if you're out and Satan, no power. We got storms coming. You got no power for 3-4 days. You need to clean your body somehow or another. There you go. Alright. And then the last thing I went ahead, I got this one. I got a little one. It's just a small grab and go. It has bandages, medicines, topicals, instruments, wounds, and dressing. I was trying to open it the other day to see what was in it. It wouldn't open it up for me, and I was like, be helpful if I took the tape off, you know. Anastasia being here, she'll have it off in a second. Oh well. Next tape on both sides. Set our time. I can't sing it because, you know, don't want no copyright strike. But I'm pretty sure you all know that song. Yeah, don't cut near towards you, cut away. I still can't find my knife. Oh, where it is. That's one reason why we kind of organized the room. Alright. Come on. Yes, I'm having difficulties. This tape. Oh, there we go. So, bandages. It has gloves. Has more bandages. That's a nice little kit. Antiseptic wipes. Alcohol wipes, antiseptic wipes. Some more bandages. Another Instapack hole. So this is the one that, you know, you've seen a lot of people, especially on the rescue squads. You know, they pop it with their hands and instantly it gets cold. So that's good to have. And then here we go. We have tape. We have antibiotic ointment. We got a couple of those, some Band-Aids. You got tons of suppressors. And a bunch of, you know, different size Band-Aids and stuff. So overall, a cool kit. It's, you know, just something to grab and go. It does not have, like anything like Advil or knockoff brand of Aleve or Motrin or whatever. So, that's not in there. But you can put that in your medic bag. And let's see if I can get this to close. Probably not. I don't know how long they got this on here. See, now I can get to close. But that's alright. I'll work on that. So, that is what I've gotten. There's more things that's going in the bag. Getting prepared. You know, last Monday was not a lot of fun. So, planning on getting other things this year. I like to get a duffel bag and put extra clothes in that. One for to use for me and Anastasia, and one for my son and his wife, my daughter-in-law. So, just grab it and go. So my mat bag is getting there. We do have some more kits. We got, one from Sam's, but I just like to have some more. That's the EMTME. Enough is never enough. And then I have something else. I have to have it washed, and then I'll show you what to do with it. And you can use it in your medic bag. So, there you go. That's the next step. So if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications so you know when I'm up next. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.